Damn guys, how's it going? This is the car guy perspective once again, and today we're in a Bentley Continental GT, and just have a look at this thing. Oh, how good is it? How good is this thing? And guess what? We are taking it for a night drive. Just look at the purling. God damn, I'm excited. Check it out. Interior as well. Got three-tone leather. We've got black, we've got purple, we've got grayish. It's got the the Mulliner edition Continental GT W12. Chaos. Close the door and fire the behemoth. Oh, store the key away. Washer fluid. Yeah, whatever. We don't care. Alright, make sure the where should I put my phone? I'm just gonna put it here. We've got the seatbelt butler. Very nice. Yes, there we go. Nice and dandy. Adjust everything and let us go. Sport mode, and off we go. Adjust my glasses because I must be able to see. And let's go have some fun in this thing because God, is it nice to drive. It's such a nice engine, such a nice car to drive. It's a bit heavy, obviously. It's over 2 tons. Oh yes, sir. Oh, I love the way it pulls, honestly. I love the way it pulls. Turn off the heads-up display because I'm not a big fan of it. At night it's a bit too bright, and this way we can enjoy the car a little bit more. And let me tell you about it. This is a Continental GT Mulliner. It's got W12 engine, 6-litre, 650 horsepower and 900 Newton meters. 900 Newton meters of torque. It's insane. It's got so much power. Honestly, it's ridiculous how much power this has, and you can feel it from down low because I think it reaches peak power like through 2000 RPM. So check this out. Traction light instantly, like instantly traction light. It's ridiculous. Nah, the way this pulls, it's you know what, I need one. I need one. It's a bit foggy and wet outside, so obviously not ideal conditions. However, it's got all-wheel drive, so nobody really cares. Oh, shit's on fire or something. Oh no, it's fireworks. What the hell? It's not fog, it's fireworks. It's literally fireworks in the parking lot of the Pizza Hut. Fair enough. Fair enough. Whatever works for you lot. Yes. The way this sounds. Let me open the window, maybe you can hear it better. Probably can't because it's windy. Tell you what, it's also not very loud because it's a W12 and it's a Bentley, so like it's not the loudest thing in the world. However, God, is it fun to drive. It's so nimble for how big it is, honestly. So nimble and so nice. It's by far my favorite Bentley to drive because obviously the other ones are, well, there's a 4-door which is a flying spur, and there's also a SUV which is the Bentayga, and neither of those two I like to drive because, well, I do like to drive them. However, they're obviously big cars. They're not fun to drive. That's what I should say. It's not like I don't like to drive them, because I do. They're really nice to drive. They drive really well for a luxurious car. but this is fun to drive. So maybe that's a better way of saying it. This is very much fun to drive. So yeah, you can hear the burbles and everything. Oh, sounds good. Sounds so good. Got the infotainment system here, you got a whole bunch of stuff. Got night vision, which I find really cool. I mean, look at that stuff. Never rely on night vision. Always stay alert. As if I'm gonna look down there and not look at the road. Oh, what a thing this is, mate. So much, it feels so good to drive. And also look at it, I mean, God, look at this interior, so good. Could just drive like this so you guys can see. You can see better. But no, it's really annoying. You remember when our fathers or mothers, when we were kids, used to shout at us if you turn the lights in the back of the car, turn on the lights in the back of the car. That's us right now. Like, turn the bloody lights off, can't see shit. We literally turned into our parents. It's wild. Honestly, ridiculous how well this car pulls. It's shocking how good it pulls. All-wheel drive system doing bits in this weather as well. Love it, love it. So, how do I do the spoiler? Oh yeah. Sport. Hey, we got the little spoiler off. Let's go. My nose is itchy. You can probably hear the rumble. So good. And yeah, Jesus. Yeah, it's a bit of a demon, absolute demon, this thing. Only problem is you get up to the speed limit like that. That's my only problem with this car. Like everything else, fantastic. Speed limit, instant. The second you put your foot, not even put my foot down, who am I kidding? No, the second you think about putting your foot down, and as the neurons go from your brain, they travel from your brain to your muscle, so you can push the throttle pedal. That's it, you've already done the speed limit. That's how quick this car is. It's ridiculous. 3.9 seconds 0 to 60 in a 2.3 ton car is wild. Actually wild what this car does. But I love it. I love driving it. It's by far my favorite Bentley to drive. I've driven all of them, lucky for me to say, and this is by far my favorite one to drive so far. W12 engine, 6 liters, 650 horsepower, yeah, 650 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. What do you mean? 900 Newton meters of torque in a coupe. Wild. And not only that, it's also insanely luxurious. I mean, in here it's just so nice. It's so nice to be in here. Honestly, it's fantastic. I'm enjoying every second of this. Just cruising and chilling in the seats. It's basically like a couch. It's just so nice. I absolutely love it. It's a lovely night, I guess. It's not even that late. It's a lovely night. Well, it is late. It's 11 p.m. Who am I kidding? Whatever. It's a lovely night. It's foggy, as you can tell. There's not a lot of traffic. In the Bentley Continental GT, we're chilling. So, doesn't get much better than this, does it now? Let's get back to the screen. There's a very nice Alfa Romeo Quattrofolio, whatever the fuck they're called. Something like that. It's very nice. I mean, he's been cruising with me for a little while. And it looks really good. I do like those. I didn't get to drive one yet, so hopefully at some point I will get my hands on one to drive, because I've heard really good things about those cars. Engine sounds really good, they handle really well, and yeah, I'm pretty interested to see how they are. Let me retract my spoiler, because I'm not racer boy. I just wanted to see if I can see in the rearview mirror, which, surprise I cannot, so useless. But what I wanted to do was, let's not do that. There you go. I wanted to change the interior color to red, because we're feeling angry. Jesus Christ. And also, let me put my foot down a little bit. Ridiculous. Insane. It's insane, this thing. Absolutely love it. What a machine. And now I'm no longer feeling angry, so I'm gonna go for green, because peace and love and prosperity. Oh shit, fireworks. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but there's fireworks. Let's go back to lavender, because I do like this color. Oh, look at it. Also, there you go. This is the interior. I mean, obnoxious, honestly, just ridiculous interior. Oh, skylight as well. Skylight, what? Panoramic roof. There's fireworks all over the place. It's it was bonfire. I don't know what's happening anymore, but there's people with fireworks all over the place, and a lot of fire engines and a lot of ambulances. So people probably shouldn't be playing with fire as much, because clearly it's not working out. But anyway, we're in the Continental GT, so I don't really care about other people right now, because I am cruising in the Bentley. This is a random video, by the way, so apologies if I can't can't string two sentences together. It's 11 p.m. and I am just chilling in the Bentley. I was gonna go for a drive on my own, but I figured, you know what, bring you guys along. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Anyway guys, I think we got to the end of the video because I ran out of things to say, and I'm just gonna enjoy this cruise by myself, have a bit of me time. This car is going back tomorrow, so I'm just enjoying it on the last leg. I've had it for like 5 days, so I've enjoyed it and did a lot of content on it, a lot of photos, reels, all that stuff. So I'll catch you guys in the next video because it might be something very interesting. So peace out and see ya.